Sunny Surprise Trip to Paris, exercițiu audio, partea a doua. The old cafes near the river were very busy. The old cafes near the river were very busy. Tom looked around, but he could not see Natalia. Tom looked around, but he could not see Natalia. A street artist painted beautiful picture for tourists. A street artist painted beautiful picture for tourists. Sunny jumped quietly out of the backpack. Sunny jumped quietly out of the backpack. The violin music filled the small square. The violin music filled the small square. The children walked slowly through the narrow streets. The children walked slowly through the narrow streets.